Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and we got some big news today. And we'll talk about that at the end of the video, but we'll give you the update because it is Friday and we did make a purchase. So we give you an update on the week and show you the buys we make every single Friday. And you'll see this on Saturday. But yeah, we got some huge news that I'll share with at the end of the video. So if you want to skip all the way there, that's totally fine. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can see here, the portfolio is closing out at $14,906.92, up $12.19 on the day, up 0.08%. For the 1 week, we're up a whopping $489.04, up 3.39%. For the 1 month, up $940.24, up 6.73%. For the 3 months, we're down $332.62, down 2.18%. For the 1 year here, down $341.83, down 2.24%. Not bad for the year. And for the all, we are up $1,275.97, up 9.36% since starting this portfolio. As you can see here, we have $35.64 in the cash account. We did make a purchase, but every time we do make a purchase, we do purchase a fractional buy in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Ticker symbol for this one is VFV. Closing out today at $93.98. We'll just go down to the activity here just to show you. So this morning we put in a trade. Trade went through at 102 in the afternoon, and we got 0.2657 of a share at $94.07, coming to a total cost of $24.99. So as you can see here, we have a total position value of $1,309.09. Average price of getting in is $93.60, and it holds about 8.8% of the portfolio. Looks like you can do recurring investments now. Buy on a schedule. Look at that. Didn't know that. So that is the first purchase there. And then we did make a purchase in Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. Closing out the week at $88.44, down 85 cents on the day, down 0.95%. We did purchase 1 share today of this at the bottom here at $87.93. So we were able to buy at a lower cost than what it closed out at today, which is fantastic. We now have 16 shares, total position value of $1,415.04. Average price of getting in for us is $88.91. Holds about 9.52% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $12.24. And our total return since owning this position is down $7.45. Excuse me, and buy on a schedule. Look at that. That is great. So I might try doing the recurring investment on the Vanguard S&P 500. I might set that up, but who knows? So that is the purchases for this week here. As you can see here, the week's performance in the stock market is fantastic. A big factor of that were the CPI numbers. If you don't know what CPI is, it is the Consumer Price Index, and it solely ran off of what was going on in the US, because their CPI numbers were, I think, like lower, the same number that it was in January at the beginning of the year, which started to cause this whole crazy market turmoil. But yeah, so CPI is seeming to go down, which is a good thing. So again, Consumer Price Index, if you want to look that up and look up the exact numbers, because I didn't have time to do, because we had some other bigger news than that, but the week was great. Most of the gains are back. We just got to keep going, because at the end of this year, hopefully we might be a little bit less of a loss than we have been throughout the whole year. So we will head over to trackyourdividends.com. This is where we track our dividends, and we will update the positions here because it's not updated, and we'll add it all in here. But as of right now, if we didn't update the tracker here, portfolio sits at $14,745. Portfolio yield is 3.94%. And that is if you were to build this portfolio exactly as it is right here shown. Our yield on cost is 4.33% as of today without the updated positions. So you can see a bit of a difference there, about 0.5%, thanks to dollar cost averaging, DCA as a lot of people like to call it. Our annual income from holding these positions and dividend stocks is $582 per year for doing nothing. And of course, that number is divided up quarterly. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add a new holding, and VFV is the first position that we are going to add for this portfolio. 0.2657 of a share, and a cost per basis was 94.07. Go ahead and add that holding. Update a little few things there and add one more, and we'll head over to TD, not TF, TD.TO. Okay, you want to do TO if you're buying the Canadian side, because that is the Toronto Stock Exchange. One share there at 87.93. Go ahead and add that holding, and boom. So portfolio now sits at $14,947, which is pretty close. I think it's taking into factor the foreign exchange with the US positions that we hold. Portfolio yield now is 3.94%, and yield on cost is 4.32%. Annual income is up to $589, of course, divided up quarterly. If we head down and look at the positions of TD, which is way at the bottom, we have 17 shares. Price today was $88.44, change of 85 cents. Our average cost is $88.85. We're down about $7. And dividend yield today is 4.03% at the end of the day. Ours is 4.01. So if you were to buy it today, you would have a better deal than I. Okay. And dividends, $60.52 from TD, of course, divided up quarterly. Let's look at the Vanguard S&P 500, VFV, 13.94 shares, almost 14 shares. Price today is $93.98, so on and so forth. We are getting a bit of a better yield than today because we keep on dollar cost averaging. Not a big difference, but it is still that it matters. And we are getting about $16.39 from Vanguard S&P 500 for the year. Now we'll head over to ShareSite because that is Track Your Dividends, completely free to use. And I am not a sponsor of any of this. I just like to use it to track this number for the most part. So ShareSite, this is what site that I do pay for to use. This one's already updated, so we'll just go through it quick. These are all the positions, as you can see. TD 16. Wait, hold on here. I think we are missing something. Did it save? Nope, that's right. 16 shares. I don't know why in the last one it said 17. I'm gonna double check that one out after. But as you can see, 16 shares there. What's nice about ShareSite is it tracks your dividends, of course, and takes that into factor in the performance of the portfolio, as well as any foreign exchange when you hold US or other kind of stocks that are outside of Canada. So it is nice to have that. So without any currency, foreign exchange, or dividends performance included, we are at a loss of $1,272.76, just based on capital gains, down almost a full 8%. Dividend says here we've received about $392.88. That's 2.46 of the performance of the portfolio. And foreign exchange up $120.41, up 0.75%. Total return for this portfolio since January 11th, 2022 to today, we are only down $759.47, down 4.75%. We still got like a month and more than a half to go in the year, so we'll see what happens. If the news continues to keep coming out where there's good news, then we're heading in the right position. And this year wasn't a waste. It was just a year to bring down that dollar cost average on your positions. So again, that is ShareSite. This one I do pay for to use, but it is free for up to 10 stocks, 10 positions in this program. So now let's get to the big news here. So just absolutely massive news about a gentleman I know since I was a child, probably like 20, 25 years of this man's hard work and determination. And I think everyone should really take that into consideration. Whether you're investing, whether you're building a company, whether you are working and getting close to retirement, this gentleman I just want to shout out because he has worked very, very hard since I've known him, and today was a really special day. This man trained for forever and just kept failing and finally he has finally done it. And the person I'm talking about is Ash Ketchum, or Ash Ketchum, whatever you want to call him. After 25 years, this man has trained and fought endless Pokemon battles in gyms. He has conquered, but he has never won a championship until today and gained the title of Pokemon Master. And it honestly brings tears to my eyes because this seeing something like that is just quite an inspiration for me, and it should be an inspiration to all. And so if you don't know, now you know. So if everyone wants to go and give that man a shout out, he's a Pokemon master now. And so that was the big news for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.